Some amazing nutritious superfoods to try. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Ready to take your wellness game to the next level? Today, I'm diving into the top 10 superfoods you need in your diet for ultimate health. Let's get started. First up, we have kale. This leafy green is packed with vitamins A, K, and C. It's also loaded with antioxidants, which help fight off inflammation.
Add it to your salads, smoothies, or even bake some kale chips.
Next, meet blueberries.
These tiny berries are bursting with vitamin C and fiber. They're known for their high levels of antioxidants, which support brain health and improve memory.
Sprinkle them on your yogurt or oatmeal for a delicious kick. Salmon is our third superfood.
Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, it's fantastic for heart health. It also provides a good dose of high-quality protein.
Grill it, bake it, or pan-sear it for a tasty, nutritious meal. Moving on, let's talk about quinoa. This ancient grain is a complete protein source, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids.
It's also high in fiber and iron.
Perfect for salads, soups, or as a rice substitute. At number 5, we have avocados. Packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, it's great for your heart. It also offers a plethora of vitamins and minerals. Spread it on toast or blend it into smoothies. Next up, chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of omega-3s, fiber, and protein. They help keep you full longer and support digestive health. Add them to your smoothies, puddings, or even your water. Sweet potatoes come in at number 7. They're rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in your body. This superfood supports your immune system and eye health.
Roast them, mash them, or make sweet potato fries.
Almonds are next on the list.
These nuts are packed with healthy fats, fiber, protein, magnesium, and vitamin E. They're great for your skin and help manage blood sugar levels. Snack on them, or use almond butter in your recipes.
Now let's talk about Greek yogurt.
High in protein and probiotics, it's excellent for gut health.
It also provides calcium and vitamins B6 and B12. Enjoy it with some honey and nuts, or use it as a base for smoothies.
Finally, we have garlic.
This pungent superfood boosts your immune system and has anti-inflammatory properties. It's also great for heart health. Add it to your dishes for that extra flavor and health boost.
And there you have it.
10 superfoods to supercharge your health. Remember, incorporating these into your diet can make a world of difference. Thanks for watching and stay healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips and superfood secrets. See you next time.